Uy, dami ka na roon. Starting again, I'm sorry. What is it doing? Just sit down.
Papasaya mo yung picture niya dati ako sa shinare ko.
Ha?
What did he say?
Ito mo sa kanya.
Shut up!
Hoy, maayos
Yung
ka.
shinare ko. Sabi mo sa kanya.
Dali. Tumama ka rin.
Hindi na ako kayo.
Shinare mo saan? Sa kanya? Sa kanya?
I don't know what you're saying, guys. Just ignore it. I'm already done. That's kind of fast, but I don't know what's done. But it's almost swimming up. I cannot see any.
Sino yan?
Oh my god!
Who's that?
Ah, shut up!
Sarap. Ang cute naman itong batang to. Oh, sino ba to?
Ako ba yan nga?
Oh, hindi naman ikaw yan. Oh. Jen ang pangalan yan. Ikaw, Danis.
Ako yun ah!
Hindi ah. Jen yan eh. Tsura mo ah. Si Danis, ito si Jen. Oh.
Nice yan.
Wala kadila pa oh. Ano sabi niya ah?
Why would you even say that? I just do one.
What did you say? Wag mo ubusin yan ha. Ay, putik na. Tingnan mo puro tad na ng drawing na naman. Oh, tiles na.
Shut up!
Nakikita nun naman yung sticky note eh. Yun ang pentel pen yun, yung binili kong maraming kulay.